Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back for part two. I was in Hobby Lobby and walked down an aisle and saw Care Bears on a cart. I had to stop, but look at what I found. I found these Winnie the Pooh. It's like a pillow and a blanket combo set. If you know anybody that is a fan, the prices are about 50% off. It was $14.99 and was marked down to $7.99 or $7.50, I do believe. But this is a great find for those that are still fans of Winnie the Pooh. They are so cuddly. But guys, I wanted to show you because you got to check every aisle. Because on my way over here to the kitchen essentials clearance items, that's where I saw that basket loaded. So make sure while you're in Hobby Lobby, take a look around the aisles. I kept running into kitchen clearance items. Wonderful sales for summer. This is the watermelon section. Woo, I got tongue tied. Look at that. It was $3.29 regular and it's been clearanced out to $1 and a little bit of change. So this is a great time to think about your decor for summer. And take advantage of this sale. You cannot beat these prices and no one is talking about it. So yes, I call it a secret sale. A secret because I had looked all over social media and I did not see a thing about this sale in Hobby Lobby. So if you are a fan of sunflowers or the bee collection or the gnomes, the mushrooms, the strawberries, guys, this is the time to get into Hobby Lobby. It is marked down. These are called the kitchen essential clearance items and they are starting at about 50% off. If you didn't see my part one video, please go back and check it out. There are tons of other deals in that video that show the same 50% or even more on some items. Here by campers, you guys, if you have kids or you like s'mores, those items were also on sale. But if you're thinking about getting ahead for springtime, these are some great ideas. I just could not figure out why Hobby Lobby was clearancing these kitchen items that look like spring. It's the perfect opportunity for us to get ready for the spring and get our decor up. This is one of my favorite spots. Who doesn't love ice cream, whether it's ice cream or yogurt? Those items too were on sale at 50% off. This was a cute tray. It regularly priced at $8.99 and it was marked down to $4.99. But look at this snow cone maker. It too, look at that price. It was $52 and they've marked it down to $25.99. My store only had one. But this is a fun machine to have for spring or summer. And also while you're there, you may as well pick up some of these fun cups that are also marked down. As I kept walking, I saw several aisles of small appliances that were on sale. And this area here is my favorite. That's like that beach or sea foam theme. And look at what I kept running into, this Hello Kitty stuff. At Christmas time, it was barely marked down. There was one at Christmas time that was really cheap. But as you can see, Hobby Lobby is making every effort to mark down some great finds, guys. So take a look at your Hobby Lobby. Thank you guys that have been with me throughout this video. But I was about to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. But this was my favorite section. I am looking to redo the canisters in my kitchen. And these really stand out. I've been watching these for a while. And I can't beat this price. They've gone down to $5.99 and $4.49. Yes. So I picked these up so that I can begin the redecoration in my house. But check your Hobby Lobby and see what they have left on your shelf.